Welcome to our review of Optimal-Traders.com, a platform that claims to provide comprehensive trading solutions. Let's dive in to see what this website offers and how it stands out in the crowded world of trading platforms. Optimal-Traders.com is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders, offering a range of tools to enhance trading skills. The platform provides access to real-time market data, which is crucial for making informed decisions. One of the standout features of Optimal-Traders.com is its user-friendly interface. It allows users to navigate smoothly, making it easier for them to manage their portfolios and execute trades. Additionally, Optimal-Traders.com offers educational resources such as webinars and tutorials to help users improve their trading strategies and stay updated with market trends. Despite its many advantages, some users have reported occasional technical glitches. However, the customer support team at Optimal-Traders.com is said to be responsive and helpful in resolving issues. In conclusion, Optimal-Traders.com seems to be a promising platform for traders looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly trading experience. Always remember to do your research and consider your investment goals before diving into trading.